beauty, she is the one that is giving you this $1,500 scholarship. And the check that you will receive is your prize for this pitch competition that you all are about to work on right now. Tamika gonna be coming from table to table. She don't be listening. She is one of the deciding factors on who's gonna get this today, okay? She's the owner of Studio 75 Hair Academy. So you have Miss Tamika here with your full scholarship to the Institute of Beauty, but this is your full scholarship to your manicure program and then your aesthetic program. Okay? So this is what y'all working on. It's real, right? It's real. They are here. They are supporting y'all. Y'all are getting these checks to take home. Post on social media. Let y'all people know that y'all did it. And it's going to be a big deal, okay? So say, so you're gonna win a $1,500 manicure program scholarship with Miss Demetria Irving, correct? I don't know why I can't remember Irving. With Studio 75 Hair Academy. And then I'm also gonna give you a free pass to my 3-day symposium that is this August. That is a $350 value.
I got about 10 bottles of OPI polish I can give them once they get finished.
Awesome. So y'all see how this just keeps adding up, right? The winner of the manicure program with Studio 75 Hair Academy is, as well as a free ticket to the 3-day event of Beyond the Chest Symposium in August, and 10 bottles of OPI bottles, Miss Jada Grant. For the aesthetic program, which is an $1,800 value. So I'm also going to give this person a free 3-day pass to Beyond the Chest Symposium this August, so you better show up. The winner for that one is Deanna Johnson. This is to the Institute of Beauty. We talked about that point of going ahead and doing a natural hair school. And if you choose to, further your cosmetology license, it's just easier to just go ahead and have it so you can do it, okay? The winner?
Drum roll.
Oh my God.
I don't want to work. Okay.
Is your turn? Yeah. Nakaya James.
very hard for us to make these decisions. It was very difficult. And one particular student, we all agreed on it, but we only had 3 that we could give. So I want to give one more.
Okay. Oh, you want to give it
And
to
they can use it for whichever program I
That's even better.
Right.
for $1,500.
Okay. So that means if you get the 1,800, you got to pay $100. So now I'm saying.
And she kind of